Hello and welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today I thought of making a video about a disease on rose plants. This is a common issue. As you can see, this is blooming very well. Look at the beautiful rose, real blood red, and it is such a beautiful plant. These are the buds here and here also. This has been given all the necessary soil, watering and all, but now I see on this side these leaves are getting infected. This is a fungal infection, these black dots on the rose plant leaves, and this is a fungal infection. As I have researched, I've come to know that is because of watering. So these leaves are infected due to watering. When I water, the plant has been infected because of the fungal disease has been improved on this because of the watering on leaves. Now when you water, see that you water to the root on the pot or wherever it is on the ground or wherever the plant is. Do not water it on the leaves. So what can we do is cut off these infected branches, because the remedy is leave it in a place where it get a lot of sunlight and also fresh air. So that is the thing you can do, and there are many home remedies like baking soda you can apply in a gallon and spray it on the plant. But I of course would like to recommend leaving the plant in a very sunshiny area where it get a lot of bright sunlight, and also do not water on the leaves. And the other thing is what you can do is let the plant to get a lot of air. So that is the best thing you can do. And the other most important thing is do not keep plants so close by. Keep it away, little bit away from the other plants, and keep some space from the other plant. Now I have taken this out from the location where it was, and now I am going to cut off all these infected leaves from the plant, and most of them are dried out, and even these branches also the same. So hope everything will be all right. Now I'm going to water it on the root. So if you see that your plant is also having the same infection, cut off and remove all the dried infected leaves and keep the plant on a very bright sunlight area and let it get lot of air and let it get back to normal, and you can again keep it at the location where it was and see that the plant getting a lot of sunlight. So water it to the root. Do not water on the leaves, only on the roots. So that is the thing that you can do. Okay, so now that's it for today. Hope you find this video very useful. If you are new, consider subscribing to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.